students, how are you? Hope you all are good and fine. Today I am going to take your maths class of class 2, chapter 10, patterns. This is your new chapter. In the patterns you have to learn about the pattern of numbers, letters, different shapes, objects. So you have to just see that in pattern the numbers, letters or shapes or any object, they may be in some sequence or in same pattern. Okay, that you can say when objects or numbers are placed in some order, a pattern is formed. Okay, objects and numbers are placed in some order or sequence, that is formed a pattern. Then pattern is an arrangement of repeated shapes, colors, numbers, letters and objects. As I told you, the pattern is an arrangement of repeated shapes. If you want to just make any arrangement of any pattern of any shapes or color or numbers, it must be repeated in a sequence. Okay, so you can say the pattern is arrangement of repeated shapes, colors, numbers, letters and objects. Here I am just going to give you some examples. Number pattern. If we want to arrange the pattern in numbers, so it has to follow some rules. See, this is 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. After 11, here you can see, after 1 and 3, in between 1 and add 1 number, or you can skip 1 number. That is, after 1, 2 is skip, then after 3, 4 is skip, then after 5, 6 is skip, and 7, 8 and 9 is 10. So like this way you have to follow the rule. That is 11, 12 is skip, then you can write 13, then after 13, 14 you can skip, then you can write 15, after 15, 17, then 19, like this way. Okay, this is the number pattern. And if I give you the example of letter pattern. A, C, E, G. In this, in between A and C, one letter skip, that is B. In between C and E, one letter is skip, that is D. And in between E and G, one letter is skip, that is F. So after G, H will skip, then I. After I, then K, then M, then O. Like this way we have to make the pattern. Now I am going to explain you the patterns in sequence of shapes. Here I have just drawn one circle and this is triangle. After that again circle. So here if this is the pattern of shape, that is circle, then after circle that is the triangle, and after triangle that is the circle. So again we have to draw the triangle. Then after triangle this is circle and again triangle. So this is the sequence of shapes. So now right here the pattern is, what is the pattern? The pattern is red, that is circle, then triangle, that is green. Green is triangle. You could read this as circle, triangle, circle, or you can write red, green, red, green, red, green. The pattern is red, that is circle, then green, triangle. After that again red, green, red, green. This is the pattern. Okay. Now patterns in sequence of numbers. Here I have just drawn some beads, and this, in the first beads you can see it is 1, 2. 2 beads are there. After that 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bead is there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bead is there. After again you can see that 2 bead, then 4, then 6. That means this is the sequence of 2, 4, 6. Like this. Okay. 2, 4, 6. Keep repeating. In this way the numbers will be repeated. Okay. Again this will again start from 2, then 4, then 6. Like this way this number will be repeated. Okay. So when a set of numbers repeats over and over again, then it is called pattern. Here this 2, 4, 6, the one set of number, again this set will repeat here, this will repeat again, that is also called the pattern. Here the another sample is, here 1 bit is there, then 3, then 5, then 7, 9. Here after 1, 2 is skip, then 3, then 5, 7, 9. Then this one will be same, we can write 2 is added to get the next number. You can say it as skip, or you can, if you add 1 plus 2 it will be 3, then again 3 plus 5 is 3 plus 2, this is 5, again 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. This will be go like this. Okay. So all of you understand, then you can write here a growing pattern is bigger in the same way over and over again. Means if you add the number, that is 1 plus 2, that is 3, 3 plus 2, that time the numbers will be bigger, increases. Okay. So I think all of you understand. I have also sent you study material related to this chapter. For today I just finished my class. Thank you.